Hi guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel How Logical. In this video, I'll teach you how you can download Bitpay wallet, which is a non-custodial crypto wallet. That means you and only you have access to your private keys and assets. You are in total control of your crypto. So first of all, you need to search for Bitpay in your App Store or Play Store. Just right after that, you will be able to see an app that pops out at top, which is the Bitpay wallet. It's distinguishable by its blue color and is labeled Bitpay by the company itself, Bitpay Inc. And don't forget, you will find the download option on the right side. Just click on it and the download will begin automatically. And finally, once the download gets complete, click to open and you will be able to access it. So this is how you can download Bitpay wallet. If you encounter any issue during the download process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with our latest content, and I'll see you next time. Till then, bye bye.